Hey there! Want to make an awesome mask with me? You do? Yay! Let's get everything ready and have some fun. We're going to make something super cool, but first, we need a few things. Grab your stuff. Here's what we need. A cardboard plate. Whoa, that's a big one. 3 markers, pink, gray, and black. We're going to make it colorful. Glue. Get ready to stick everything together. 3 sheets of paper, green, pink, and white. Color explosion coming up. A plastic cup. It's going to be so handy. A bottle cap. Details are so important. A pencil. We need to draw some shapes. Scissors. Remember to be careful. You might need a parent for this step. Okay, we have everything. Are you ready? Let's start. And remember, you can pause the video anytime or rewind if you need to. There's no rush. We're having fun together. Step 1. Make the triangle. Take your cardboard plate. What shape is it? That's right, it's a circle. Now, hold it from the bottom and fold it up into a triangle. Can you picture a triangle? Yep, just like that. Perfect. You're doing awesome. Step 2. Draw the circles. Now, take your white paper, your plastic cup, and your pencil. Place the cup on the paper and trace around the wide end. Look, you're drawing a great round circle. Great job! Do it again. We need 2 circles. Once you've got your 2 circles, grab your scissors with a grown-up's help and carefully cut them out. Take your time. We want these circles to be nice and neat. You've got this. Step 3. Time for pink circles. Next, take the pink paper and grab the small end of your plastic cup. Trace 2 smaller circles with your pencil. Got them? Now, let's cut them out. You're doing amazing! Step 4. Green circles. Now, let's make the green circles. Find something small and round to trace, like a bottle cap or a little cup. Ask a parent for help if you need it. Cut out the 2 tiny green circles carefully. They're a bit trickier, but I know you can do it. Step 5. Let's glue. Here comes the fun part. Let's start with the white and pink circles. Put glue on the back of the pink circles and stick them in the center of the white ones. You're doing awesome. What do you think they look like? Like ears? You got it! Now take those green circles. Using your black marker, add a little dot in the center of each one. Step 6. Attach the ears. Remember that triangle we made at the start? Take it and glue the pink ears, the white circles with the pink on top, onto the back of the triangle. This pointy end goes down, just like a little mouse's face. You're doing awesome! If you mess up, no worries. Just try again. Mistakes help us learn. Step 7. Let's add the nose. Put glue on the back and stick it at the bottom of the triangle, right at the pointy part. Step 8. Add some details. Now, for some super fun details. Grab your pink marker and draw little lines below the eyes like a tiny glow on your mouse's face. Then, use the gray marker to add some lines inside the ears, right on the pink part. So cute! Ta-da! And there you go. You've made a mouse mask. Isn't it amazing? You can play, pretend, and have so much fun with it. I had so much fun making this with you. Great job, little artist. You did it.
Bubbles and friends.